Okay, Mia's up here in this tulip poplar tree, way up there at the top. You can't see her, I'm sure, but at the very top. And I'm going to free climb up there with the help of a lanyard and a rope, and we're going to get her. Are you the one that...
Possible. I got your rope underneath that cart. You're alright, man. You're down. I'm down.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, I'm gonna put her inside, get her some food and water. I'm gonna grab you a towel then too and help you bring your stuff back.
Okay. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You go, just take it away. Take it away. Go.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. I got Mia out of that tulip poplar tree there, and it is raining cats and dogs. Mia, I did a pole grab just to make sure I wouldn't drop her. She was wet, I was wet. I was at the top of the tree, so I did a pole grab. She handled it pretty well. Put her in a bag and she settled down. She's on her way home now, and now all I got to do is get my equipment out of this monsoon. I mean, the water is really pouring down, as you can see, and it's thundering and lightning. So another successful cat rescue. I think it's 451.
Did you grab everything, or should I go ahead and try to?
Just wait a second. It's gonna pass over. Okay. All right. I tell you what. Take this camera and take a picture of him. Okay. Phone. Okay.
Oh, on the phone?
No.
Oh, should I just show it of her?
Yeah, just point it to him.
Sure thing. Man, I'm soaking wet. I'm probably gonna have to clean her up.
Say hey. Hey. Say hey.
That should be good. Sir, thank you so much. I'd shake your hand, give you a hug, but I understand the social distance.